Hey folks, Kreel Hutchinson here, helping entrepreneurs claim their hero's journey to create success faster. In today's new digital marketplace, there's huge economic and social trends unfolding. For decades, we've been telling young adults to go to school, get a degree, get a 9 to 5 job, work 40 hours so that you can afford a home, social security, and retirement. But that secure path is no longer what it once used to be. And the age-old debate between whether to be an employee or to be an entrepreneur, be your own boss, rages on. But there are three very new factors that enter into this ecosystem that changes this whole conversation. So in today's episode, we're going to dive into it. Stay tuned. The constant debate is whether being an employee or an entrepreneur is better. One side believes that being the safe and secure, finding a stable job, and securing your financial future is the way to go. The other side, an entrepreneur, believes working for somebody else is really a waste of time and it's better to be in control of your own destiny, your own dreams, rather than supporting someone else to get what they're looking for. The truth of the matter is, you can make just as much money being an employee in certain jobs as you can being a business owner. Now, what's most important is to really establish yourself and get clear on what kind of mindset you have, because it's the mindset in the right position which will ultimately create the largest success. The employee mindset. If you're the type of person who prefers to perform inside of a system rather than manage a system, you're in the right place. You enjoy a few tasks. You like to specialize in what you do. You especially enjoy at the end of the day when the work is done, you're done. And every couple of weeks you get a paycheck that allows you to build a lifestyle and future around. Now, in order to have this stability, you're going to also compromise in a few areas. Because of the repetitive nature of the work, you might find some boredom. You might also be a little bit bored going to the exact same place to work all the time. This might raise into some office politics, and there's going to be a ceiling on how much you can earn. These are the sacrifices that you'll make to have that stability we talked about earlier. For these reasons, it's critically important that you as an employee love what you do and you are respected in your work environment. Because if you're not, then you're going to face psychological and physical health challenges coming into the future. So if you find yourself in a place that's not ideal for you right now, you know what? Change it. Go find another job, go find another work environment that respects you as you deserve. Entrepreneur mindset. You thrive in a position of creativity and authority in designing and implementing your system. With that, there'll come higher risks, but the rewards are much higher, both financially and personally. Now, obviously, as an entrepreneur, you're probably going to work quite a bit more than an employee, not because you have to, but because you want to. This is your baby. This is your passion. This is where you're sharing your gifts to the world, so it becomes confusing what's actually work time versus your life. Within that, you're going to have a lot more multitasking going on, which can be great, exciting, but it also can lead to getting burnt out. So you definitely want to make sure that you delegate as quickly as possible as you go along the journey. Now, as an entrepreneur, you're going to be willing to sacrifice that lots of energy and effort and time working now so that you can have a better future, more time, more financial stability into the future. This is the big difference between the employee and the entrepreneur mindset. Employee is looking for the cash 2 weeks in advance, right? Whereas the entrepreneur is willing to sacrifice that, put in more time, more energy for a brighter future where they actually get their time and money back. An employee plays by the rules and an entrepreneur creates the rules. This can be exhilarating, but the reality is it's also a hero's journey with struggles, triumphs, and lots of growth along the way. Check out my other video called How Being an Entrepreneur is a Hero's Journey to find out exact details of this epic tale. I'll leave a link in the description. Most financial experts agree that getting ahead in today's economy, it's best done having your own business. Why? Because you have greater control and authority over your work. Rather than being a casualty of the changing times, you're able to adapt far easily. And you also have better tax advantages and really an authority over your entire life. Now, as you decide whether you're more suited towards an employee or an entrepreneur mindset, there are three vital things that you need to be aware of that is greatly influencing those decisions today. Factor number one to be aware of in these changing times: technological changes. Artificial intelligence and robotics is destined to replace 25 to 45% of all jobs in the next 15 years. So employers are looking for cheaper, more effective ways to reduce costs and increase profits, and that means eliminating some of the workforce. Jobs that are on the hit list include manufacturing, retail, clerical, transportation. So, if you're an employee and you're deciding to jump into the workforce, make sure you're headed towards a field, an employee sector that is going to be existing in 15 years from now. Factor number 2, student debt. A university or college degree used to guarantee a person a good paying job. That's no longer the case. There is high competition in the workforce. Degrees are now coming with a $25,000 to $50,000 student debt attached to them. And in today's average salaries, that's going to take a person between 10 and 25 years to pay off. There's also reports that people are actually retiring and still haven't paid off their student debt, which is absolutely crazy. Factor number 3, the online economy. Many financial experts are suggesting that a better way to spend 4 years and $50,000 or more in a university degree is to jump into the online economy. Now, this doesn't mean starting from scratch. It means leveraging technology, softwares, mentors, companies that have proven formulas that allow people to start up at a relatively low cost and provide training and support all the way along the entrepreneurial journey. Head over to my blog, KreelHutchinson.com, and grab your free copy of the 5 Proven Strategies to Generate Income Online. I introduce you to 5 niches where people can start making money online or build a successful long-term business strategy. I'll leave a link in the description. There is no longer a magic formula in today's modern world for success. Each person is a unique collection of beliefs and psychological patterns that predisposition them to either being an employee or an entrepreneur mindset. But there's a critical second level of evaluation which takes into account the social, economic, and financial changes we see in today's world. You match the mindset plus these changes to really find out what is the best path of your livelihood in the future to come. It is my personal belief that becoming an entrepreneur is a better way to go in today's economy. It allows you to bring your skills, ideas, passion, services, and products into the world and allow you to take fuller control of your future and your lifestyle. Now, if it's not for you, make sure you do your proper due diligence and find out that your education path is leading into an employment sector which is going to survive the technological and job revolution. Hey folks, there you have it. Now you know the main difference in mindset required to be an employee versus an entrepreneur, and 3 critical factors to be aware of as you evaluate which career path makes most sense for you. Make sure to head over to my blog and sign up for my SOS newsletter, where each week I'll be sending out tips on how you can maximize your business efforts to create success faster. If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like it, share with your friends, and I'll make sure to see you on the next one.